Salmon bowls are all over the internet, and although I love having salmon myself, it has been a struggle for me to pass this love to my family. So when I saw this new TikTok trend, I jumped on board in the hopes that I would get them to give this omega-3 rich protein another try. So salmon isn't found in South Asia, so it truly is an acquired taste for myself and Ellie. We're used to mostly white flesh fish like pomfret and would go for shrimps any day of the week. But salmon, a much meatier fish, took some getting used to. I love the presentation of this viral TikTok salmon bowl, but I haven't tried the exact recipe. Instead, I chose to tweak the recipe to make it more South Asian in flavor. And it worked. Everyone loved it. So today, as I show you this recipe, I thought perhaps we could talk about healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids in particular, since we are making salmon today. This fish is a great source of omega-3s. It is this fat that you want more of in your body, and not the other kind, the omega-6. So where are omega-3 fats found? Well, you can find them in seafood, salmon especially, in walnuts, flax seeds and chia seeds and their oils, as well as in algae. Omega-3 is so good for our bodies because it lowers inflammation, helps reduce markers of heart disease, and even fights against depression. As far as women's health is concerned, an omega-3 rich diet helps prevent breast cancer and possibly cancer of the skin and uterus as well. Oh, and PMS and hot flashes may be positively affected as well. So when we talk about omega-3s, we can't overlook omega-6. Which are also essential for health, but something that we get way too much of in our diet. What we need is a balance. Our omega-6 to omega-3 ratio should ideally be 1:1, but is actually 16:1. And that is because the Western diet is rich in vegetable and seed oils, and often processed foods include all of these oils, because they're cheap and manufacturers want to cut costs. Sometimes supplementation may be needed for those of us with autoimmune diseases, but remember the sources of food I mentioned before and make sure you include them in your diet. I hope this video helped you figure out your fats and which ones are good to consume and which ones to consume in moderation. Remember that there are healthy fats and they are essential to our well-being. So don't skip the fats, just make sure you have the healthiest versions you can find. Thanks for watching this week's video, and I'll see you in the next one.